Good morning, students. In this today's class, we are going to discuss the third method, that is third effect, that is displacement of the effects of displacement of electrons. In that, we have seen that we have taken the four effects. One is inductive effect, and another one is the electromeric effect. Third one is the mesomeric. This mesomeric is also known as an resonance effect. And last one is the hyperconjugative effect. In the last class, we have seen the inductive effect as well as the electromeric effect. Inductive effect means the displacement of an electron towards the more electronegative species, that is known as, and or any the displacement of the permanent displacement of electron along the carbon chain towards the more electronegative species is known as an inductive effect. So these are further divided into two types. And we also see the electromeric effect. This electromeric effect is a temporary effect which takes place only in the presence of an attacking region. If the attacking regions are removed, then it will not take place the electromeric effect. Therefore, this is the temporary effect. This takes place in the presence of only an attacking region, and the displacement of an pi electron will take place. In this class, we will see the third one. That is third method, resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Mesomeric or resonance effect. And first of all, understand what is resonance. Resonance means the writing more than one form of any compound is known as an resonance. Okay. Consider, okay, the resonance means the writing of any compound in the more than one form or representing more than one form for a particular compound, then it is known as an resonance. Okay. And let us see how the resonance or mesomeric effect will be taken place. The mesomeric or resonance effect means the polarity produced due to the delocalization of pi electrons in a conjugated system. Once again, I will repeat the definition here. The polarity produced, that means, and partial negative and partial positive. The polarity produced due to the delocalization of pi electrons in a conjugated system is known as an mesomeric or resonance effect. And what is conjugated? Alternative form, the alternatively present, the alternatively form of a single and double bond is known as an conjugated system. The delocalization of pi electron will take place in the conjugated system, and it will produce the polarity that is known as the mesomeric or resonance effect. These are further divided into two types. One is positive and another one is negative. Positive means if the delocalization of electrons takes place towards the benzene ring or that is away from the subsequent group, then it is known as an positive effect. If negative effect means the displacement of an electrons takes place towards the subsequent group, then it is known as an minus M effect or minus R effect. So let us see how the effect will take place. The mesomeric or resonance means the polarity produced due to the delocalization of pi electrons in conjugated system. Then it is known as an mesomeric or resonance. Polarity is partial positive, partial negative. Then it is known as polarity. Then conjugated system means the alternative form of single and double bond is known as an conjugated system. The displacement of electron will take place in a conjugated system. It is only the pi electron will displace here, and it will produce the polarity that is known as an isomeric effect. These are further classified into and two types. One is the first one A, positive M or positive R effect, positive mesomeric or positive resonance effect. And let us see what is positive or positive mesomeric or resonance effect here. The delocalization of electrons will take place away from the subsequent group, then it is known as and positive R M, that is positive M or positive R effect. The delocalization of electron takes place away from the subsequent group, then it is known as and positive M or positive R effect. Then let us see an example here. CS3, that is CS2 double bond CH, C double bond OH, here conjugated system, it is double bond, single bond and alternative form, therefore it is known as an conjugated system. When we compare the carbon and oxygen here, the oxygen is more electronegative, therefore the displacement of electron will take place towards the oxygen. 1 minute here, we will take the another example. Best, that is benzene, and benzene, to the benzene if we attach an NH2 group, NH2, this will show the positive mesomeric or positive resonance effect. Then let us see how it will show the positive M or positive R effect. Due to the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen, these electrons will shift to this carbon atom and these will shift to the next carbon atom, that is pi electron. Here the delocalization of pi electron will take place in the conjugated system. This lone pair of electrons donate to this carbon atom, then it will produce, then these electrons will delocalize to this carbon atom, then it will produce this. Here double bond nitrogen, double bond hydrogen here, that is carries the positive, and here the delocalization of electron will take place to this carbon atom and this will get the negative charge, and as usual double bond here and as usual double bond here. The lone pair of electron will jump to next carbon, that is delocalized, and this will shift to the next carbon. These are the pi electron will shift to the next carbon atom. Then it will produce it is negative charge here and double bond as usual, that is here double bond and double bond nitrogen hydrogen 2, that is here it carries the positive charge. Again these lone pair of electron will delocalize, then these will shift to this carbon atom and this pi electron will shift to this carbon atom, then it will produce this and another resonance structure here. So double bond here, double bond, one will double bond will shift to the next carbon atom, then it will carry the negative charge, and here double bond it is double bond and adds to positive charge. Again these electrons will jump to next carbon atom and this will shift to the next nitrogen, then it will use the compound. This double bond as usual here single bond NH2 and it will get the lone pair here, then double bond. These are the resonance form of and that is aniline. This is generally known as an aniline. The benzene, to the benzene an NH2 group is attached. The NH2 group will show the and positive mesomeric or positive resonance effect. Okay. If an electron releasing group, if the electron releasing group attached to the benzene ring, or if electron releasing group is present, then it will show the positive M or positive R effect. Here the NS2 is the electron releasing group, therefore it will show the positive M effect. The displacement or delocalization of pi electrons, or the delocalization of electrons will take place away from the subsequent group, then it is known as plus M or plus R effect. Here the delocalization of electron takes place, that is displacement of electron takes place away from the nitrogen, therefore it will show the plus MR plus R effect. Then other groups are, and that is OH. Here lone pair of electrons are present, therefore it will show, it is the electron releasing group, and it will show the positive M effect. It will show and positive M or positive R effect due to electron releasing group. It will show the positive mesomeric effect or positive resonance effect. Then let us say second one, that is D minus M or minus R effect. Minus M or minus R effect. Okay. Here the delocalization of the polarity produced due to the delocalization of electron, that is delocalization of electron takes place towards the subsequent group, then it will show the and minus M or minus R effect. When the minus M or minus R effect is taking place, when if electron withdrawing group, are attached to, are present, or is present, then it will show minus M or minus R effect. Okay. If the electron withdrawing group is present, then it will show the minus M or minus R effect. Okay. Then what are the electron withdrawing group here? Okay. When we take the example of C double bond, then it is an electron withdrawing group. When you compare the electronegativity of carbon and oxygen, the oxygen is more electronegative, therefore the electron will shift to the oxygen, and it will show the and minus M effect. Here another one is the C double bond OH. It also show the minus M effect, and it is NO2. NO2 group will also show the minus M effect, and cyanide group then also show the minus M effect. So let us take one example here, that's NO2. We will take the NO2, or we can take any example. Consider an nitrobenzene. Nitrogen, oxygen, that is a negative charge here. Double bond oxygen. The oxygen is more electronegative compared to the nitrogen. When we compare the electronegativity of an nitrogen and oxygen is more electronegative, therefore the displacement of electron will take place towards the oxygen. Then these electrons will shift to this carbon and nitrogen. Then here the delocalization of electrons takes place towards the substrate group, towards the nitrogen, then it will show the and minus M or minus the resonance effect. Here the structure will become it is nitrogen, oxygen negative charge here, the oxygen negative charge. Okay. The nitrogen will get the positive charge here. Then these electron will shift to well, then it will get the double bond here. 1, 2, 3, 4. As usual here. Then the here as usual it will get the positive charge. When these electrons shift to this, then it will get the, then it will show double bond and oxygen negative charge here, oxygen negative charge, and that is here it will get the double bond and it will get the diffusion, that is positive charge. These electrons shift to next carbon atom, then double bond and oxygen minus, here oxygen minus. When these electrons shift to this carbon atom, this will get the double bond, and here deficient of electrons are present. Deficient of electrons will be created, positive charge will be created. These pi electrons will shift to next carbon atom, then these electrons will shift to this nitrogen. Then it will get the this 5 resonance structure can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Another one is double bond. We will get the single, that is oxygen negative charge, then double bond, then double bond here, double bond. So we use the, this is the delocalization of an pi electron taking place away from the benzene or towards the subsequent group, that is known as and minus M effect. Here the delocalization of electrons takes place away from the substrate group, that is known as an plus M effect. This is about the mesomerit or resonance effect. In the next class we will discuss an hyperconjugative effect.